Hello everyone, my name is Varsha and I am the CTO and co-founder of Toolsvilla, and we are transforming the way people work through mechanization. So let me give you a quick overview. There are 150 million farmers in India with an average landholding of 1.2 hectares. But more than 80% of these farmers are not mechanized and their average earning is $1,500 annually. So why is non-modernization of Indian farms a problem? With these traditional tools, Indian farms grow 70% less food compared to that of other developed nations. And the input cost in traditional farming is 40% more compared to that of modern farming. And due to this high cost, farming is becoming very unattractive, and more than 100,000 farmers in India are giving up farming every year. So the next question that arises is, why haven't Indian farmers modernized yet? The main reason behind this is people are not aware of the modern farming practices, and there is a problem with the availability of these tools, and thirdly, there is lack of financial support. So this is where Toolsvilla comes into picture. We are an e-commerce company that enables farmers to buy high quality and modern equipments directly from the manufacturers at wholesale price. Currently, we have got more than 5,000 SKUs on our website. Majority of the customers in this segment are not that much tech savvy. Hence, we have designed our product page and the checkout page keeping in mind about our customers. We have got the product working videos and images on the product page so that a customer can easily understand whether the product will be suitable for them or not. Also, we have got technical experts at our call center who provides free consultation and technical support to our customers, and we get around 700 calls daily at our call center. Let me tell you a little bit about our team and our backgrounds. I have done engineering in information technology and have worked as software developer for one of the IT companies, that is Wipro Technologies, for 3 years. Chetan has done engineering in biotechnology and he was the top seller at Amazon and eBay for 2 years. Mr. Ranabhadra has got 13 years of experience as operations manager at Hindustan Global Solutions. Currently, we have got more than 50 plus people in our team, and I can proudly say that 60% of our employees are women. So let me tell you about the impact that we have done. We have already mechanized more than 15,000 farmers in 3 years. And it's not only farming where we have opportunity, but it is in small businesses as well. The unemployment rate of India is 7%, and the average paying unskilled job is only around $50 a month. But through machines on our platform, people have the opportunity to start their own business and can earn an average of $250 per month. And we have already enabled more than 10,000 people to start their own business. And surprisingly, 30% of them are women. We have already impacted around 100,000 lives from the day we started. And mechanization through Toolsvilla has saved an average of $234 per farmer annually, which is 20% of their total input cost in labor. These are some of the current tractions. We get around 500,000 people visiting our website every month, and our current monthly sales is $150,000. This is how we have grown over the years, which is more than 200% growth annually. These are our financial statistics, but we see a huge opportunity lying in front of us. Since we are an e-commerce company and the internet penetration in India is only 30%, our next strategy is to reach those potential customers who don't have access to internet, and for that reason, we will be reaching them through our reseller and referral network. So resellers would be small shops in tier 2 and tier 3 cities who would act as our local touchpoints in those areas. We are already working with 10 such resellers and we get around 4 to 5 new inquiries every week. And referral is the network of our existing customers who can become our brand champions in their local communities and can earn a commission through referrals. And to be able to do that, we need to move very strategically, and hence in the coming years our focus will be to diversifying into the new customer segment, improvement in digital capabilities, and expansion of physical infrastructure. And to do that, we are seeking $2 million in debt or equity, which would be used from Q1 of 2021, so that we can improve 650,000 livelihoods by 2022. So if you like what we are doing and want to discuss further, here are our details and we would be happy to tell you more about us. Thank you.